about conducting workshops. So this is not with the top guys. This is actually, we bring into the next level, the middle level management or middle level people. These could be from operations, from technology, from business, from customer support, marketing, depending on the project. If you're building, for example, I was working on a data science project before. So that was about 2 years ago. I was working with one of the premium banks, investment banks here. So I was trying to identify the best data science self-service platform for addressing the needs of these different entities within this bank. So I had actually gathered some of the, these are not the top managers, these are actually the second or even the third rung managers who actually have got teams. So basically the leads of these. So basically we call them as solution leads back then. So I called all of these solution leads within research analytics, portfolio analytics, then fund flow analytics, technical analytics, different teams and different divisions. So I gathered all of them into the room and made sure that we then set out as to, okay, this is the kind of the product that we're trying to have a launch. What are the objectives from your side, from this particular perspective, from operation, from technology? How does it sit with the current system, current infrastructure that we have? What are the first set of features that are important for you? And that's where the discussion happens. So workshops are really important, really helpful. If you want to have different functional groups, different kind of people with different backgrounds, and you can actually bring them all onto the same board, but then it gives them a room, it gives them a room to express their views, and also some of the times their apprehension. So the technology person might say, no, we don't have the technologies to support what the business is asking. So try and get them into one room and then say, okay, what the business guy wants. The business say, I want a sales forecast solution. The technology person say, I don't think we've got data in the first place. They're expecting analytics and reports to be generated, but we don't have the data in the first place. We don't have a database to capture that. The data is not coming in. Once we have that, then perhaps we can think about the next step of doing some kind of analysis with the data and then presenting it to the sales managers. Then the discussion goes around, okay, if that is the case, what can be the first thing that we can do? How can we structure that, blah, 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 the priorities, all of that would come in. So I use this very often with that objective. So these workshops would really help achieve consensus among the group. So they're having conflicting views. They're having, as I said, the salespeople has got a different view vis-a-vis the technology. Operations have got a different view vis-a-vis the marketing. So the quality assurance people have got a completely different view from the management. They think that the products are not really good quality, whereas the management is just interested to ship them out as soon as possible. So all of these different perspectives, what you can do is try and iron out those differences, the conflicts. You're bringing forth, as analysts, as BAs, we should try and bring forth these different perspectives, the conflicts, the contrasts within the opinion, and then be able to come up with some solution that works for everyone. And that's where I think having a workshop, instead of sending too many mails or having meetings with 10, 15 people, doesn't help. Just get them into one room, sort out at time, and then make sure you have a quick workshop, identify all of these things, move things around, ask them to have a go. They should be able to write post-its, move things around, then done. By the end of the day, you have a clear roadmap of where you want to go. Sometimes it's not that easy. I might have to actually go for 1 or 2 more rounds of workshops, but actually it helps to take the quick decisions. That's the most important thing. Things which have been hanging in there, things which never happened by emails, we'll forward it. We'll see. We will work on that. Let them have a go. We'll think about it. These are the kind of mails that you keep getting, or phone calls. But this would really help to take quick decisions, workshops that way.